Hello student, let's try to understand a topic student. Refraction of light through glass prism student. So dear student, if you take a glass prism, you can see that it has two rectangular bases and three rectangular lateral surface inclining at the angle. This angle is called the angle of the prism. Okay. So there are so many bases are there student, like that. If you got, so how many base is there? 1, 2 and this is 3. So if you take a glass prism, you can see that it has the two rectangular bases and three rectangular lateral surface inclined at an angle. This angle is called the angle of prism. Now let us look at the top view of the rectangular prism with a ray of light entering to it student. So here see student, some are there. PE, that is incident rays, EF refracted rays, and FS emergent rays. So these three rays you can understand. Now this is A, angle of prism. Where is the A student? This is angle of prism. I, angle of incidence. This is the I, angle of incidence. R, angle of refraction. So student, if you can see, where is the R student? So R will be this one student. This is called angle of refraction. Now E, angle of emergent. This. Now angle of deviation. This is angle of deviation. So these many angles are there student, that you have to notice. Now see, in the above figure, A is angle of the prism. As per Snell's law, light travelling from rarer to denser medium, if travelling from rarer medium to denser medium, bends to the normal and vice versa. Okay. So if you draw the normal student, so it is entering into what? Denser medium. So it, in spite of going straight, it is bending towards the normal. Glass is the denser medium than air, and thus when ray of light fall on the surface of the prism, it bends towards the normal according to the diagram. The ray PE falls on the surface of the prism and bends toward the normal, that is NE. This is the normal is what student? NE. Then while moving from the glass to the air, the emergent rays FS bend away from the normal. So you see, this is the normal. So it is not going the same way, it is bending towards the away from the normal. Okay. HDS, angle HDS. Let us see the what is angle HDS student. So if you see student, let me erase this all the things, then we will be able to understand what is the angle HDS. So this is what student? HD and S. This is angle HDS. What is this angle student? Angle HDS angle is the angle of deviation, which tells us how much the emergent rays has deviated from the incident rays. When the angle of incidence is equal to angle of emergence, the deviation angle is minimum. So first of all, this is, it has gone like that and it has come like that. So if you are talking about this one, this is telling the information about the angle of deviation. Next, according to the figure, PEN and MES and HDS is thus the angle of minimum deviation. The refracted rays EF is parallel to the side of BC in the case. So refracted rays, these all in the side of BC student. Next, this is how a ray of white light is scattered into 7 colors when it passes through prism. The different colored of the light wave experience a different degree of deviation. Thus, white light is split into its component when subjected to refraction. So this is all about the refraction of light through glass prism. Thank you.